Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, we are in unit 2, that is fundamentals of operating system. In today's lesson, the topic is getting started with GUI operating system. GUI stands for graphical user interface. And in this topic, first of all, we'll study some of the basic icons of GUI operating system, that is computer, recycle bin, control panel and network. Then we will see that how we can manage data files and folders by using the GUI operating system, and we will see what is meant by a file and what is a folder and what is the difference between file and folder. Further, we'll also see some of the functions performed with the folders, like creating a new folder, copy paste a file and folder, cut paste file and folder, and how we can delete a file or folder by using the GUI operating system. Okay. First of all, basic icons of GUI operating system. An icon is an informative picture or symbol displayed on the screen which the user chooses to select an action. Icon can usually be used to represent software packages, documents and hardware devices. First of all, computer. In Windows 7 we will have this type of computer icon. Computer icon is the source of all resources in the computer, including drives, control panel and data. So this is the source of all the other resources of the computer system. Second icon, that is recycle bin. It keeps files that have been deleted, whether accidentally or intentionally. Users can restore the contents of recycle bin before deleting the items permanently. So whenever we delete any file, that is going to be stored inside the recycle bin, and from recycle bin we can again restore those files in our computer and make them functional, or we can delete it permanently from the recycle bin. Third, we have the control panel. Control panel is virtually the control center of the computer. It allows users to change settings for programs, hardware devices, set up network connections and user accounts, etc. Basically, it is used to customize the settings and configurations of the computer system. Fourth, we have the network icon. This icon is used to view and set the network resources of the computer system. So these were some of the main or basic operating system icons, and we studied the purpose of these icons. Now, how we can manage data, that is files and folders. First of all, what is file? A file is a collection of related information or resources for storing information. It can be stored permanently on backing storage device like a hard disk. Every file has a name for its identity. Now, folder. A folder is a named collection of related files. One single file which contains related information, that we call it file. But whenever there is a collection of related files, so those can be stored inside a folder, or a folder contains a collection of related files that can be retrieved, moved and manipulated as an entity. It can be used to store and manage files or subfolders. Means that a folder may contain files, or it can also contain subfolders. For example, a folder in a hard disk can store important documents or files. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. The basic difference between files and folders that files store data, while folders stores files and other folders. So this is the basic difference of file and folder. Okay, now we will see some of the operations to deal with the files and folders. First of all, creating a new folder on the desktop. So what are the steps required? First of all, to create a folder like for example ABC on the desktop, do the following steps. First step is to right click anywhere on the desktop. Right click menu will appear. Like here you can see, first of all we have clicked on the we have right clicked on the desktop, so the menu appears. Okay, inside the menu we can see a new command. Whenever we place the mouse on the new command, and another window will appear. Click folder option from the new menu. Under the new menu there is a folder option which is enclosed inside a red rectangle. So we will click on it. A folder will be created. Give an appropriate name to the folder. Press enter key. The new folder gets created with the desired name. So it's very simple way of creating a new folder on the desktop. Second, how to copy and paste a file or folder. To copy and paste a folder from a location to another, do the following steps. First of all, select the folder or file to be copied and right click it. You have to right click on that folder or file. Then select the copy command from the menu. The folder is copied. Move the mouse pointer to the destination folder location and right click it. So this window will appear. And then select the paste command from the menu. So the folder or the file will be pasted. The folder will be pasted. Now cut a file, folder and paste it. You already know the difference between copy and cut commands. So to move a folder from one location to another, do the following steps. Select the folder or file to be cut and right click on it. Select the cut command from the menu. The folder is cut. Move the mouse pointer to the destination folder location and right click on it. Select the paste command from the menu. The folder is pasted. And finally we will see that how we can delete a folder or file. To delete a folder, do the following steps. First, select the folder or file to be deleted and right click on it. Select the delete command from the menu. The folder or file is deleted. Whenever we select the delete command, that selected file is going to be deleted and it will be moved to the recycle bin. Or another way of deleting a file or folder is just press the del key on the keyboard, del for delete. Okay students, so it was a very simple lesson for today. Still, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.